game. I'm happy, obviously, by the result, by the satisfaction of watching our fans happy, by the work the players did, but very difficult conditions to play. The pitch very dry. It was obvious that many moments we wanted to play, but difficult to play it. Anyway, we had the attitude, the patience, and the quality in certain moments to define the game. It's important that you do this. You use your moments. Obviously that we can do better, but praise the players for the effort, for the commitment, for the attitude, and for the courage to keep on playing in very difficult conditions.
We don't have enough time to go through it all in terms of match tactics, but generally, how do you want your team to behave when you lose possession?
Yeah, obviously, very good question, because we would like to be very aggressive in the moment we lose the ball, to attack immediately the ball. The question is that in the last games we played here in the championship, the teams don't hold the ball, they just want to kick in the front. So it's very difficult, because when you move up to press, they're already putting a ball or on the flanks or on the back of your defense. So it's quite tricky. So we need also to understand how tricky these situations can be, deal with them, and not be naive, because if you are naive, you will suffer goals from this kind of game. Very difficult games to play. We need always to be very active in rest defense, in balance the team. I think we did it, and we need to continue. And in the right games, we will be able to be more strong in pressing the ball when we lose it.
2 goals, a clean sheet, 3 points. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Very important to continue. Now we're going to close the door of the championship, open Champions League door. And now for recover, see who will be in the best conditions to face next game. Thank you very much.
There it is. Thank you so much, Coach Miguel Cardoso, the head coach of